So hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have get some introduction and theoretical knowledge about the chains. So in this video we are going to learn practically about the chains and the ratios. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, as we discussed that the chain is the group of views and widgets in a given parent view. So to make this, I will select few views. For the moment, I am selecting the buttons. So to make the chain, I will select all three buttons and right click, and from here select the chains, and from here I will select create horizontal chain. So as you can see here, I am seeing the chain symbol between these buttons or views. So in the same way, I can change the style of this chain. For this, right click on the button and from the chain style, select spread inside. So my chain is converted into the spread inside chain. In the same way, I will select the button and from here I will select the packed chain. Now all widgets are arranged into the packed chain. Now let's come towards the weighted chain. So the weighted chain can be allocated to the either spread or spread in style of change. For this I will select the head button and from here I will select the chain style as spread. Now to make the weighted chain, we have to use the code feature of Android Studio. When I am going to the code, I am seeing that the chain style is only allocated to the first view or the first button or the head button of the chain. And all the rest of the views are lacking these attributes. Now let's give some weight. I want this button to the 0.5 times of the total width. For this I will give constraint horizontal weight because we are working on the horizontal chain, so we will give only the horizontal weight. I will select 0.5 times. Now I want that my buttons will be the 2 times of the available space. So I will select 2 times, and for the last view I want this will be only the 1 times of the total available space. Now let's come back to the design mode and see the effect. So we are seeing no effect. To see the effect, we have to change the layout width to match constraints. And repeat this step for the rest of the views. So guys, we are seeing that this is the 0.5 times, this is 2 times, and this is 1 times. So this is the example of weighted chain. So now let's come towards the vertical chain. For this, delete these views, and from here in the same way place 3 views or 3 buttons. Now select all these 3 buttons, right click, and from the chain select create vertical chain. So this is the example of vertical chain. We can also give the features of spread inside, and packed chain for the vertical chain. So the chain is not only limited to the buttons. You can select any view. For this I will delete all these 3 buttons, and from here I will select the switches. Now let's select all these 3 switches, and from here right click and the chain select create horizontal chain. So now all switches are arranged into the horizontal chain. So guys, this was for the chain. Now let's come towards the ratios. For this, delete all these three views, and from here select the button and place it on the desired location. Let's give some constraints. I will give the horizontal and vertical constraint to place it in the center of the y-axis. Now what is ratio or aspect ratio? Aspect ratio means that the width will be changed according to the height, or the height will be changed according to the width. Suppose I want my button will have the height 2 times as compared to the width. So I will achieve this by selecting the buttons, and from here I will select my width to match constraints. So as soon as I have selected match chain, I am seeing this symbol in the corner of this rectangle. Click on this. Now I have got the aspect ratio. Currently it is saying that the height or width will be changed according to its height. So when I am going to change the height to the 100 dp, width is automatically 100 dp. In the same way, when I select the 200 dp, again my width is equal to the height, that is 200 dp. Now I want that my width will be 2 times as compared to the height. Now my width is 2 times as compared to the height. Now let's select 100 dp, and boom, my width is 2 times as compared to the height. So guys, this was the concept for the ratios. So this is enough for this session. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video, comment on our video, and subscribe to our channel.